Welcome to Strange Sounds, the idosa.com series about strange, supernatural, or odd audio. The Scranton Sasquatch. It's 2020. The Pennsylvania woods. A science teacher is investigating strange sounds he's been hearing for days. Deep in the woods, he records the odd howling and whooping sounds. As he got closer, he described feeling very sick to his stomach. He finally had to retreat after feeling extremely nauseous. What you are about to hear is what is believed to be the Scranton Sasquatch, or Bigfoot. What do you think? Is this proof of the Scranton Bigfoot or Sasquatch?